so cute. The tree looks cute.
Yeah, I know, it doesn't.
But I really love these. I found them at the Dollar Tree. That's why I got these. Because they had these at the Dollar Tree.
I might go buy if I have some time
That's why
today.
I just said we need to go to the Dollar Tree.
Y'all, she's yelling at me. We're already recording.
Are we?
We are.
Y'all, this is a part of the back of this. I said the back.
The back of what?
This is what y'all don't know. We be having a whole conversation before we get on this video.
Every time.
Every time. So,
but Christmas time is always the best time.
Oh yeah.
We like to be festive, as you can see.
Now, first of all, let's just say welcome back, Sensei.
Welcome back, y'all.
It's Tamika.
And it's Cindy.
Y'all, we have had a journey to get here. Y'all just don't know. Now, we had some of y'all that was around last year when we started this journey, because we basically started our journey on the Vlogmas. It was in 2000 of last year. It was 2000 of whatever year it was.
It was 2020. Yes, we did Vlogmas. I had never heard of Vlogmas. I think Tamika's the one who brought up Vlogmas. I had never heard about it, but this year, because last year was heavy duty, I was not prepared to do Vlogmas.
Yeah, it was real stressful.
Y'all, it was so stressful. And I knew that going into this year that we want to give you the best that we can give you.
Quality content.
Quality. So we were like, we gonna do 12 Days of Christmas. And just go from there, and just, because I mean, some days we was like, this day 3, 4, and 5, because it was just a lot. But you guys know that I'm sure you guys tune into other people, so you guys know what it be like, and that's okay. It's hard to come up with 25 juicy ideas for the month of December.
Yeah, so we're gonna give you 12.
Yeah,
on
so
top
we're
of
gonna
your
give
regular
you
videos,
some ideas for things, but also we just really want y'all to get to know who we are more.
Especially the new ones. We got about 12,000 new ones.
You literally, we have a lot of new people, and we just want y'all to understand us, because some of y'all just know us as the sisters, but we just want y'all to really know who we are. So we're hopping into, and y'all, we just kind of recording these as they come through. So for that reason, we ain't gonna tell you what day it is.
No.
Just know this part of 12 Days of Christmas.
It is. Just know that. And we are thankful.
We are so grateful. We really are. So I guess let's just jump right into this thing.
Okay, so on this day of whatever day it is, we are gonna do some stocking stuffers.
Some stocking stuffers.
Y'all got the tree up.
Yes, do you see this? We love
I found these. Look, I done toe up. I found these. Look at these beautiful ornaments that I found at the Dollar Tree.
Aren't they adorable?
Love them.
Oh Lord, I'm about.
This tree came from Cindy, y'all. If you was in last year, it's the same tree I had last year. Yeah. It came from Cindy. I love it.
He's a cutie. He's a cutie. But anyways, we're doing stocking stuffers. So
yeah, we're gonna give you some ideas on some stocking stuffers.
Yes.
We're gonna bring you some coupon and stuff, some clearance stuff.
Thank you guys.
Okay, guys. So a next idea is the woman's gift.
Yeah.
Stocking.
So you know we putting chocolate in the bottom. Chocolate's already went in. Now,
this is the gift set we got from CVS. This cost us 99 cents.
99 cents.
Put
that was Black Friday. We putting that in for the women.
We getting these socks from Dollar General. Okay. Y'all, I paid like 10 cents for these socks.
Clearance.
They always got clearance.
And you know they do clearance events on a regular, so I'm sure we'll have one before that. I was gonna say Thanksgiving, for Christmas.
We might. If not, it'll be in January. There you go. Slap that thing on in there. Okay.
This is beautiful. That's super easy. 3 things. You don't have to go crazy, y'all. We know we already buying them gifts.
Yeah, and also like we said, I don't know if we said it or not, but the thing is, ours hang, but then they in on the floor.
They on the ground because they load it down. Okay, on the ground because they load it down. Just remember that.
That's it. Okay. So that's a good one for a woman. For a man.
For a man, guys.
This stocking is so small. Yeah,
do you want to put it in this one? You want to swap them? Y'all, we got this naughty stocking because
it's too tight.
You know, men tend to have a moment of naughtiness throughout the year.
Women do too. Then we're gonna
act like women do too. Hey, absolutely. But it's just too tight. Okay.
We're gonna put this Nivea shave balm. Y'all know that was a good deal at Walmart.
Y'all got 15 shave balms back there. Because we didn't have them on.
We got 17 big razors.
Yeah, so we slide in the big razor right on in.
And then we got this from Walgreens. This has been a deal for weeks too.
It has been.
This was super free. I think it was free plus a $1.21 moneymaker.
Yes.
We're putting that in there.
Yes, guys.
Stick it on in there.
Stick that on in there. Do you want to hit them with some chocolate to make it? Do they deserve some chocolate, or are we going in with the pepperoni sticks?
We're going in with these pepperoni sticks. Okay.
Y'all remember when we picked these up from Walmart?
Yes, y'all.
It was a Swag Bucks deal. As of the time that we're recording, it's still on Swag Bucks, guys.
Yeah.
That can change at any moment. Here, I'm putting 2 Swag Bucks.
Y'all, men like pepperoni. I don't care what they say.
They like really do. If they don't like any other meat, it's the pepperoni sticks.
That's it.
Okay? So,
it's
load it down.
Dollar Tree stocking.
Yep.
You done put all that in there.
Easy peasy. So that's another idea. And then the last one, which we might have to,
is a foodie.
Oh no, we can do the foodie and the naughty.
Okay, so we're gonna use these jingles. Y'all know we got 800 jingles. Okay, Cindy said put 2, but I don't know if it's gonna fit now.
Yeah,
okay,
this is
put a jingle in there. This is for your food person. Get them these Werther's Originals.
Facts.
Sugar free.
Do you want to do the are we doing Godiva or are we giving them lint? Which one?
You can get this Godiva, or you can probably put both of them in there. Not in that stock, it's tight. But anyway, this was a Walgreens deal. This was a CVS deal. Okay?
Yes.
Stick that in there.
And honestly, guys, I think that getting your chocolates from the we're gonna have to go in with just the bar.
Yeah,
but I think getting your chocolates from the drugstores is gonna be the easiest. They're always typically on sale at the drugstore. I even seen a deal this week with CVS. If you have a buy one get one free on like the Hershey's or something, it's like free apparently because they're BOGO this week. So that's the thing if you got the CRT.
Yeah.
But
stick it on in
let
there.
me stick this jingles in here. Was I supposed to be sticking jingles in? Yeah, this is the
jingles
food
is
chat.
already in.
I said this.
We got the blended in there. We're gonna put these caramels, and y'all, if you got not a super tight stocking like this, not a stocking, go ahead and put that in there.
Yeah.
We're gonna give you a visual. Bam. See?
Bam. Just like that. Look,
boom.
jingles. Jingle bells, jingle bells.
There you go.
It's all done. Okay.
There's always things you can put. You got socks, Dollar Tree socks. This could go to women's.
Yes.
Also, guys, I picked this up at Walmart last year. This is hand lotion.
Yes.
It doesn't expire. It cost me $1.50. Y'all, normally $3.
Yeah.
Cindy had an idea to break them down, put them up in the cubicles at work.
Whatever you just need little gifts, guys.
Stick them in the stocking.
We know that this is can always be a hard time of the year, so we really just want to make sure that the things that we try to coupon a little bit of everything. I love retail shopping, and hopefully one day that's something that we can bring into Sister Saving You Cents, because I've always been able to save pretty good on retail, because y'all, I like nice things for no price.
No money.
No money, no coinage, okay?
Okay, also remember, we got these candles we coupon from Walgreens. You can stick that in there.
Absolutely.
This can also go to gift basket. This stuff can be made in the baskets. Well, this year we're not doing baskets, as we're doing stockings.
Yeah.
No baskets, but these were a fantastic deal.
They were. They were
at
what,
Walgreens, $3.66 each. They smell delightful. This is black cherry. Y'all smell like that Kool-Aid.
Easy peasy ideas
for your stockings, guys.
Okay.
So don't stress about it. You got this.
If you've been with us, y'all, or you've been with any of these couponers, you can fill a stocking up.
Yeah. I mean, who doesn't want at least a regular essential? Chocolates, socks, and meat. We all need it. Okay? So, guys, if you like these type of ideas, well, we wouldn't be doing it again until next year. But don't forget to hit that like,
share,
and subscribe
button, guys.
All right, y'all.
Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.
All right.
Bye,
Bye, guys.